Alright, this is a Bambi mode relay harness. It allows you to keep your fog lamps on with your high beams for your 2008 to 10 F250, F350, F450 with factory fog lights. Let's install. Step 1 is open your hood. Step 2 will begin by deinstalling the passenger side headlamp. For that, you'll need a 7mm socket, and then there are 3 fasteners on the headlamp housing. Alright, 1, 2, and 3, and the headlamp comes straight forward and out. Alright, make things easy, we'll remove the housing assembly entirely. Alright, we'll set this aside for now. Okay, now we can start plumbing our relay. We're going to mount the relay assembly right here on this plastic pin. To remove that, you'll want a panel popper, trim panel remover as they're called, but fairly straightforward. Just pop that loose. And then you can reuse this or include it in the kit. There's a Ford specific fastener with a screw, and so we'll elect to use that as so. And we're just going to mount our relay there to begin with, and then we'll install our plastic push pin. Alright, nice and tight. Now, 3 connections need to be made. Battery positive, headlamp harness, and fog lamp harness. So first things first, we'll run the battery cabling up behind the core support here where the headlamp housing harness comes through. Move our protective cover, and where we're going to mount this is on this stud here. 10mm fastener on that. Alright, and we'll mount that as so. Plumb him down out of the way. Install our nut and set it down snug. Just like that. Reinstall our protective cover. Now we have our headlamp wiring lead here. And we plug that into the vehicle headlamp assembly plug. And then as we reinstall the headlamp housing, we'll install that into the headlamp bulb itself. And then finally, the fog lamp, which is directly down here in the bumper. And so we'll just route this down in and disconnect our fog lamp. Okay. Alright, with those 2 connected, then we can reinstall our headlamp assembly. Now we'll take our jumper harness here, plug that into the headlamp bulb, and then we have our parking light and turn signal bulb to reinstall in the housing. Alright, with all that connected, reinstall the headlamp assembly. Be mindful to guide the wiring out of the way as you proceed to reinstall the housing. Alright, then we have our 7mm fasteners to reinstall, and we're done. Alright, that's the end of our install. Thanks for watching.